I am Glioblastoma, and I am the villain. A shadow in the brain, relentless and chilling. Born of glial cells, supporters by name. But once I arise, nothing's ever the same. I wear the mask of a thief in the night, stealing your clarity, dulling your light. I target your thoughts, your movements, your will, and inch by inch I aim to kill. I favor your temples, your frontal domain, where reason and memory quietly reign. A headache may knock or nausea creep before seizures and silence begin to seep. I grow with no mercy, I spread with no grace, no borders or edges, just devouring space. I'm not a wanderer, I don't leave the skull, but what I touch, I make painfully dull. They call me grateful, the baddest of all, a glioma supreme with a fatal call. The strongest survive me just for a few years, and often I'm greeted with gasps and tears. Men over 50, beware my game. You're in my sights, I remember your name. But I've struck the young, and the strong, and the bold. In hospitals, silent, and stories untold. Your visions may blur, your limbs may give away, your speech may falter, your thoughts go astray. Pressure builds inside the bone dome. Your brain becomes less and less like home. Surgeons may chase me with blade and scan. They cut what they can, as deep as they can. But I wrap myself around your speech and your song. Remove me fully and something goes wrong. Intra-op scans, fluorescent so bright, they shine their blue beams to show where I bite. 5 airlays close, give the hunters a clue, yet still I linger in shadows they never knew. Radiation scorches me, chemo tries too. Temozolomide in a bitter pill will brew. A cocktail of hope swallowed each day slows me a little, but I don't stay away. Some craft new weapons, targeted, precise, genetic assassins in futuristic ice. Immunotherapy knocks the door, but I adapt, mutate, and demand more. You see, I'm cunning, chaotic, and sly. You treat me today, and then I return by July. Not always cured, just briefly delayed, until every neuron feels the price paid. I am the villain, but knowledge is power. Don't wait for my knock at the quiet hour. Support the research, the trials, the quest, so those who face me can fight with the best. Talk of me plainly, not hidden in shame. The more you know, the weaker my name. I am Glioblastoma, aggressive, unkind, but in science and courage, my match you'll find.